Hello, my fellow drama enthusiasts. Today, we are talking about the man, the myth, the heartthrob, Jang Ki-young. Whether he's making you swoon with his puppy eyes or scaring the life out of you with his intense stare, this guy can do it all. And guess what? We are diving into the greatest dramas ranked by their popularity. Buckle up because this journey is going to be a peak acting meets peak eye candy. So let's go. First up, we have My Roommate is a Gumiho. Imagine being a 999-year-old mythical fox trying to become human. Exhausting, right? That's exactly what Jang Ki-young's character Shin Woo-yo is dealing with. Oh, and did I mention he ends up living with a chaotic college student who accidentally swallows his magical marble? Classic rom-com shenanigans. What makes this drama shine is Jang Ki-young's acting. He nails the mystical, brooding vibe, but he also has these adorable, awkward moments where he's like, what is human love? Is it edible? And let's not forget the sizzling chemistry with Hailey. Their banter, their long gazes, it's also chef's kiss. You'll be rooting for this Fox human love story like your OTP depends on it. Next, Come and Hug Me, a drama that's part love story, part trauma Olympics. Here, Jang Ki-young plays Che Do-jin, a police officer haunted by the fact that his dad is a serial killer. Yeah, that's the kind of emotional baggage we're dealing with. But let me tell you, his acting in this is insane. He brings so much of depth to Do-jin, balancing vulnerability, guilt, and this quiet yearning for happiness. Watching him love Han Jae despite all the obstacles is like getting punched in the heart repeatedly in the best possible way. If you don't cry at least once during this drama, you might actually be a robot or perhaps a gumiho, who knows. Next up, we have The Search, WWW aka that drama that made every Nuna scream, where do I find Park Mogan in real life? Jang Ki-yeon plays a younger man who falls for an ambitious, career-driven woman working in the cutthroat tech world. But here's the twist, he's not intimidated by her at all. Mogan is charming, emotionally mature, and oh so supportive. Jang Ki-young's performance here is softer but no less impactful. He brings this playful energy that contrasts beautifully with Im So-jung's serious character. Their relationship feels real and refreshing, like a sip of iced coffee on a hot day. Honestly, Morgan deserves a medal for being the ultimate boyfriend material. Now let's switch gears to Kill It, where Jang Ki-young trades romance for adrenaline. Here, he plays Kim So-hyun, a veterinarian by day, assassin by night. I mean, dual carry as much? His performance here is cold, calculated, and completely captivating. He barely speaks, but his eyes do all the talking. And oh boy, those action scenes? Flawless. He's jumping, he's punching, and dodging bullets like it's just another Tuesday. But beneath all that deadly precision, there's this vulnerability that makes you want to hug him carefully. Because assassin? If you love morally complex characters, this one's for you. Now, We Are Breaking Up gives us Jang Ki-young and as Yoon Jae-guk, a photographer who looks like he walked straight off the pages of Vogue. Pair him with Song Hye-kyo's Ha Young-yeon, and you have a romance that's stylish, steamy, and full of emotional depth. What sets this is how mature his character feels. He's not playing a puppy-eyed boy anymore. This is grown-up love with real stakes. Jang Ki-young brings this calm confidence to Jae-guk, making him irresistible. Plus, his chemistry with Song Hye-kyo, electric. If you're into heartbreakingly beautiful love stories, add this to your list ASAP. My Mister is one of the most critically acclaimed K-dramas, and Jang Ki-young's role here is small but mighty. He plays Lee Kwang-il, a loan shark who's aggressive and terrifying but also deeply human. What's impressive is how he adds layers to a character that could have been just one-dimensional. You'll hate him, you'll want to catch these flickers of pain in his eyes, and suddenly you're like, oh wait, do I feel bad for him? It's a testament to Jang Ki-young's ability to make even the most flawed characters compelling. The next drama, which I'm going to talk about, is where I knew that whatever project Jang Ki-young works in the future, I would be his forever supporter. As he won my heart with his natural acting. Born Again is a wild ride, let me tell you. Jang Ki-young plays two characters, Gong Ji-chol, a serial killer in one life, and Cheong Jon-bum, a passionate med student in another. Talk about range. This drama is like a masterclass in duality. Jang Ki-young switches between sinister and sweet so seamlessly it's almost scary. You love one of his characters and fear the other, but you won't be able to look away. The reincarnation plot might be divisive, but his acting is undeniably top notch. Finally, we have Go Back Couple, where Jang Ki-young plays Jung Nam-gil, the perfect college senior. He's kind, reliable, and low-key in love with the female lead. Spoiler alert, he's the second lead, which means Heartbreak City for him and for us. Even in this smaller role, Jang Ki-young's charm shines through. He takes the classic second lead trope and makes it unforgettable. Plus, his portrayal of Namgil's quiet longing, perfection. You'll want to reach through the screen and tell him you deserve better. But alas, drama rules are cruel. And there you have it, Jang Ki-young's best dramas, ranked by popularity and overflowing with his acting brilliance. Whether he's making you swoon as a boyfriend, cry as a tragic hero, or gasp as a cold assassin, one thing's for sure, this guy knows how to steal the show. So, which of his roles is your most favorite? Are you all about the romantic Morgan, or do you secretly love the mysterious Kim So-hyun? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification icon because I've got plenty more K-drama goodness coming your way. Until next time, stay dramatic, stay fabulous and remember this guy. You would not want to miss any of his future releases. So stay tuned until the next time. Bye for now.